Hello, dear friends. Today, now you see another selection of coolest products, best Instant Pot Vortex 5.7 quart air fryer. Only instru the products, best Instant Pot Vortex 5.7 quart air fryer. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. The Instant Pot Vortex 5.7 quart air fryer is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. With its 4-in-1 functionality, air fries, bakes, roasts, and reheats. This appliance offers versatility in a sleek, modern design. From crispy French fries to delicious baked goods, the Vortex ensures even cooking every time with its Even Crisp technology. This feature guarantees a golden brown, crispy finish, making your meals healthier without compromising taste. One of the standout features of the Instant Pot Vortex is its custom program options. With just a few presses, you can easily adjust the settings to suit your specific dish. Whether you're cooking a delicate fish fillet or preparing a hearty roast, this air fryer makes meal prep quick and convenient. The large 5.7 quart capacity is perfect for families or gatherings, providing ample room to cook large portions without the need for multiple batches. Plus, the easy-to-use touch interface and preset cooking programs streamline the cooking process, ensuring consistent results every time. With the Instant Pot Vortex, you also get access to over 100 in-app recipes, helping you explore new ideas and flavors. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, these recipes provide inspiration for any meal. From the trusted makers of the Instant Pot, the Vortex 5.7 quart air fryer offers unmatched performance and convenience in the kitchen. If you're looking for a reliable, multifunctional appliance to help you prepare quick, delicious meals, the Instant Pot Vortex is the perfect addition to your home. Thanks for watching the video.